Good morning. So you join us at junction 27, not where we were hoping to be. We're actually on the way to MattLewis, but we're in a lay-by, which only means one thing: car's not happy. Alternator's on its way out, turbo's hanging off. Look, we move. We're on his way, I think. Little update: recovery is on its way. Stay tuned. Right then, so we're here. It finally got dropped off. That's going to go in for some work. Stay tuned, you're going to obviously see the GTI in background. Unbelievable. Have a look at this B-roll.